If your Google Play Store just spins forever and never loads on your Google TV, here are the best fixes that actually work. Let's get into them. Solution 1. Restart Google TV and router. Most of the time, the issue is temporary. Restart your Google TV by powering it off completely. Then, plug it back on. Meanwhile, unplug your Wi-Fi router for 30 seconds. Wait a bit and plug it back in and reconnect. This quick reset often fixes the issue, so go check it. Solution 2. Set automatic date and time. So, the biggest reason of this problem is sometimes the configuration glitch your TV faces when the device date and time is not accurate. To fix it, you can go to your home screen, navigate to the settings icon in the top corner, then open it. Now, scroll down to device preferences. From here, open date and time. Open automatic date and time. Now, select the Use Network Provided Time option. See if this fixes the issue or not. Solution 3. Re-enabling Play Store. From your Google TV home screen, go to Settings. Then, open Apps. Go to See All Apps. Now, choose Google Play Store. From here, select Disable and then confirm your choice. After that, choose Enable and confirm your choice. This simple step resets the Google Play Store in your Google TV. Solution 4. Clear Play Store cache and data. While you're in the Google Play Store settings, look for the Clear Cache option. Select it and confirm your choice. After that, select Clear Data and then confirm your choice. Now, open the Play Store and check your issue. Your Play Store should now finally load normally. Hope you found this guide helpful, and if you did, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot for watching!